Hello guys, this is Vinit from Edge Forex, and the purpose of today's live is to introduce you to Edge Forex, introduce you to what we do, how we do things, and what really sets us apart. And let me bring up this presentation that my team put together. They worked really hard for it, and they're gonna absolutely hate me for what I'm about to do. I'm not gonna go through. Actually, I'm gonna skim through it really fast. Actually, maybe let's try this. Okay, I'm gonna skim through it really fast because I want to get into the meat of things as fast as possible. One thing I want to make sure, I'm here to introduce you to Edge Forex. What I'm not here to do is sell you anything. I promise you guys. By the end of it, you'll see who Edge Forex is, how we do things, and how you can benefit your trading for absolutely $0, absolutely no commitment. There's nothing. I'm not here to sell you anything. The only thing I'm here is for your attention and your participation on our Telegram group. And I'll show you all about it. That's all I'm asking of you is be patient. Let me show you our stats. Let me just quickly go through what we do. We have over the years developed an algorithmic system that works automatically on our servers. It collects data, analyzes data in the real-time basis, and as soon as it identifies an opportunity of taking a trade, be it long, be it short, be it on Sunday night at 2 a.m., that's fine. It'll go ahead and place that trade for us. Now, as you guys know, that Forex is 24/5 market. That means it's open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And if you are managing multiple accounts, our own personal, like Edge Forex, has over a dozen or so accounts that we trade on, and we trade 8 different pairs. So now to monitor all 8 different pairs in the real time, 24/5, and then be able to execute those trades in the real time is a daunting task. You need an entire team of traders to do that. So what we've done is over the years, since 2015, that's when we actually started developing the system. And then we've created this automated trading algorithmic system on our servers that does all the work for us. So we don't have to sit down manually executing these trades. So now let's go. What's next here? Again, as I said, we have consistent profits, and I'm going to show you. I'm not just going to tell you on a slide, these are our profits, this is how much we made last year. No, none of that, because I'm going to show you exactly what we have produced over the years. I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate that for your own trading, because it's really simple to do. Okay? All right, guys. So now, as I said, we put our money where our mouth is. We are 100% transparent. Okay, what does that mean? There is no paywall, first of all. Every trade that we take, we show and we place that signal that, hey, on our Telegram group and channel, saying that, hey guys, we have taken this trade and it's up to you. If it makes sense to you, you guys can go ahead, do the same. Now, there is, again, as I said, there is no paywall whatsoever, and I'm going to show you exactly how that looks. Okay, now when I say it's battle tested and profitable, this particular strategy that I'm gonna demo has been on for almost 1,800 days. Let me make sure I give you the between 1,750 and 1,800. I'm gonna go show you that. It'll be clear. So when I say it's battle tested, we've created over 73 to 75,000 pips on that particular account, that particular strategy. Gone over almost like 5 years trading that, and I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by that. And what exactly is our strategy? We are very simple. Our trading is short term, 30 to 40 pips per trade. Very simple. 3 rules whatsoever. There are 3 rules because we hide nothing, including our strategy, including exactly how we take our trades, including our main strength is order management, trade management. What happens when a trade goes against you? Yes, we can take a stop loss. Yes, we can do edging. There are so many things that we do in real time, and everything is exposed on our Telegram group. And again, I want to keep saying that again and again. No paywalls whatsoever. That's what makes us so different. That's what makes us so special. Our results are there to scrutinize. I am here for your scrutiny. Every trade that we take, I am there to explain to you guys as to why we took that trade. And our strategy is very simple. It's a 3-step strategy. It's based on divergence principle, where we identify an overextended trend, and then we identify a divergence, usually using RSI, and then we confirm a trade breakout on the opposite direction is when we actually enter. I'm going to give you a quick demo on what I mean by that. So now you're looking at a GBP USD 1-hour chart right now. Here, as we see, the trend is extended from here to here. So it's extended, and because our RSI is sitting at 73, 74, so that's an extended trend. So now what it's doing is it's making higher highs, the price. That means the price is making higher highs, but the RSI is losing momentum and is making lower highs. So it's basically momentum is shifting onto the opposite side. And now as soon as we would take a trade for something like this, because it broke the trend line here, it went back and tested, we would take a trade here, and we would do something like this. Short position here, put a stop loss up here, and we want to ride the entire thing down. Again, that's an example of our strategy, one of our strategies that we actually deploy. Our thing is we want to keep things simple. Our thing is to share everything that we do with you guys in real time, exactly. So you guys have that trust, and transparency is paramount for us that we do with you guys. Okay, guys, so let me show you some of our performances. Okay, guys, and let me go do that. Here we are. We are looking at our performances. Again, we have tied our account with FXBlue. If you don't know what FXBlue is a service that verifies your account and results in real time and publishes on their site. So that means there's no hanky-panky. We're not making this stuff up. And the other way of verifying that is that every trade, all the results that you see here on FXBlue are verifiable on our Telegram group and Telegram channel. So again, we put our money where our mouth is. As simple as it gets. We place our trades based on our own algorithms. All we do is show you guys that, hey guys, we have taken a trade. Can you all, if you want, you can join us and place that same trade on your account. And that all happens in real time. So now let's talk about results, because that's where all the meat is. That's why you are here, to see what the results are like that we have produced over I'm sorry, I said 1800. I stand corrected. 1719 days since this particular account went live with our strategy. And then you can see the overall performance on that is 800% in 1719 days. Now, you may say it's a long time, but then again, the results are also there. Anybody who promises you 50% result in a week, 100% result in a month, guys, do not walk away, run away. Run away fast is my only request from you guys. There are a lot of charlatans in our industry. Forex trading is full of BS people, full of people who would show you some results that are not verified. They'll show you screenshots from your phone. And I'm going to show you an example when I go to the Telegram channel, and I'll show you what those folks look like. And unfortunately, gullible traders, especially the new ones, they fall for that. No wonder there is a high percentage of traders that lose during Forex trading, which is, that number is as high as 90%. I'm sure you must have heard that by now. And I want to change that number. I want to change that number by bringing transparency, by bringing honesty, by bringing a solid strategy, by bringing our knowledge and guidance and perseverance on our Telegram group, so we can all succeed together. Again, as I said, there is no paywall, absolutely whatsoever. There is absolutely no paywall on our Telegram group. You just join, and everything that we do, you get to see and you get to take your trades. That's what makes Edge Forex so special. That's what sets Edge Forex aside. Okay, guys. So now, as I said, you can see the trade we have taken for 1,790 days and almost 4% a month we generate. And all those 1,790 days, the maximum drawdown we've had was of 7.1%. Now, if that doesn't say a lot, I don't know what will. Because having that kind of a history in trading and being in the market the entire time and having a drawdown for this much, including Trump tantrums, including COVID, including you name it, we've been there. We've gone through the entire ups and downs of the market, and we have survived. Not only survived, we have thrived, as you can see by our results of 800%. And then, other than that, you can see our profit factor 2.39 with trading with winning ratio of 80%, guys. 2.3 or 2.4 almost profit factor with 80% win rate, but it does get better. You have risk reward ratio of 3.6. So for every dollar you risk or every euro you risk, you make 3.6 or almost 4 euros back on a strategy, on an account that has lasted almost 5 years, guys. Does it get any better? I don't think it gets any better. People will show you results. They'll say have fancy charts. They'll have fancy screenshots. I don't believe in any of that. As I said, my team is going to hate me for not going through the presentation because the meat is in the results. I want you to see it firsthand exactly what's going on with our trading. All right, guys. So now, other thing I want to show you was here. Now, yes, we've made 800%. Okay, and then we have made almost 74,000 pips over the duration of these trades. Now, what I want you to see is this number here, total number of trades. So we have placed over 7,000 trades. Out of that, 80% of them were winners and 20% of them were losers. Anybody who claims 100% winners is lying. Nothing like that happens in Forex trading. You will lose certain trades. You will hit stop losses. You will have to take losses certain amount of times. That's when you gotta. That's how you manage your drawdown. That's how you manage your account. You will take losses. It's just part and parcel of the package. But I'm gonna show you something even more impressive. How many times we actually hit those numbers? One. How many times we actually hit a 4% loss? One time. How many times we hit 3% loss? 3 times. Then again, 1% loss, 2% loss is common in Forex trading. And I'm talking these are out of almost 7,000 trades. I want you guys to scrutinize this because this is public. You have access to it. You can go and look at our trade history. You can go here and then look at orders, and then you can go look at our trade history, and you can go back and you can say closed orders, and then you can go all the way back to 2021, actually the 10th of February 2021, when we started this account with only $1,000. So everything is there for you to scrutinize. Everything is there for you to verify and scrutinize and challenge me and challenge us as a company on our results, on our strategy. And again, all of that is free of cost to you guys. It's going to cost you absolutely nothing. Okay, so let's now look at how you would actually get those signals. So you're looking at our group, which is called Pick Talk by Edge Forex. That's where all the action happens. That's where I come in on a regular basis and give you guys a market update. That's where all the signals, every time we enter in a trade, we exit a trade, that's where it gets published. Again, you would see that here we have this morning, we opened a trade for AUD USD. We come here and we tell you guys, hey guys, we executed this trade on our main account. You also, if you want, go ahead and place that trade. That's how we do it. We exit that trade, we would come here and do it. And then The best part is, guys, if you have any questions, all you have to do is ask. Just ask that question in the group, and I or somebody else from our team would be more, or even our other members would be more than happy to help you guys out. If you guys are starting out, I'll be more than happy to hold your hand and carry you through this journey. I would want nothing more but to help you guys become a profitable trader, and I ask nothing in return except be active on our group and participate, share your results, ask questions, scrutinize our trades, be an active part is all I ask. That's all I ask, because I have no paywall. We have absolutely nothing that we gain monetarily by running this particular Telegram group. That's all I'm asking, is just join and participate. Join and participate is all I ask of you guys. Okay, guys. So we see, and at the end of the day, and that's the other thing. So if you are unable to take any trades, on end of the day, we go and publish all of our trades that are actually active. So if you miss something and the price is still, say, close to our entry, so you can still go ahead and place that trade at the end of the day. And you can also, again, follow our close trade when that happens. So again, that's another feature that, again, nobody else is going to do that for you, because they are not placing trades. They are just giving you signals. Here, I'll show you an example. These idiots here, all this guy's doing is showing you screenshots saying that, hey, that many pips, Tuesday, that many pips, Wednesday, that many pips. That means nothing. That means absolutely nothing. But if you want their signals, you have to go and pay. Everything is behind a paywall. All he's showing you guys is here. That looks fancy. Yes. Does it look fancy? Of course it does. But is that real? I don't know that. Is that a demo account? I don't know that. We have a real account. We show you exactly how we trade, what trades we take, all of those things we are showing you in the real time. Again, trust and transparency. Come and challenge us. Okay, scrutinize us is what I ask of you. So I think I've gone on long enough. I think I wanted to show you guys who we are, how we do things. What sets us apart is, number one, we're not behind a paywall. Every single trade we take, we show you guys. And I wanted to share with you guys what our stats are, what our performances are. Our strategies are 100% transparent. I have made multiple videos on our strategy. I have made multiple videos on how we do account management, the trade management, if trade goes against us, how we hedge, how we do things intelligently. All those things are documented, and all those things are there for your scrutiny. Again, the only thing I ask is participate in the group. Again, give me your feedback, how to make our community better, how to make our group better, how to grow from here, because I sincerely believe that trading, even though it's a very lonely endeavor, together we can actually make wonders. We can make loads and loads of money and prove everybody wrong, that everybody in the Forex trading industry or signals is a fraudster. That I am here to change that, because enough is enough. I want to do the right thing. I've been trading far too long for me to care about money and those things, but I want to give this industry a good name, and I want Edge Forex to stand out as an upstanding company that does not falsely promise results that we cannot achieve. Okay, and on top of everything you see is 100% free. So that's it. I'll close it, and if you have any questions, do shoot them on in our group, and I myself will answer them. If you want to connect with me one-on-one, I would be more than happy to do so. All right, guys, thanks a lot for your time. I hope you got something of value out of this. Thank you. Bye.